So here first we'll go for AutoCAD software. So switch off the grid and switch on the ortho mode. So first we're going to set the sheet size. So go to limits. So then specify lower left corner is 0, 0, upper right corner is A4 size sheet, say take 297, 210. So then Z enter, that is zoom, A enter, that is all. So go to line command, select some position on the lower left corner of the sheet and then drag this on the horizontal line and then take the cursor to the top side and then click on the first button of the mouse and go to offset, specify offset distance is 297. You select this and offset it onto the left side and again go to offset, take 210 and select this horizontal line and take it to the top side. Then go to zoom extents, then zoom 0.7x. So now go to fillet, select this vertical line and this horizontal line, select this vertical and this horizontal, select this horizontal and this vertical. So now we'll go for the text. So go to start point here, go to the text, select start point, take the height as 4, rotation angle as 0. So go to 21, problem number, draw the projections of the following points on the same XY line, comma, keeping convenient distance between each projectors. Name the quadrants in which they lie. So here take A 30 mm above HP and 35 mm in front of VP, then capital B 35 mm above HP and 40 mm behind VP, then take point C on VP and 40 mm above HP, then capital D on 35 mm below HP and 30 mm in front of VP and say yes. Now we'll go for a layer and create one more layer by name XY and then press enter key. Then select the default line weight of XY and make it 0.13 as the line weight, and in layer 0 select the default line weight and change it to 0.05 and say OK, and then close the layer command. Now we'll go for a line command, draw the horizontal line of any length and go to offset, take the distance as 30 and you select this horizontal line to the top side. Similarly offset, specify offset distance, take 35 and select this line and offset to the downwards, then go to line, take nearest point on this and take perpendicular to this line, then erase this. Similarly again go to offset, take the distance as 35 and from here you offset to the top side, again 40 mm offset 40 and again this onto the top side. So go to line, take nearest point on this, perpendicular to this and again you write perpendicular to this line. So go to erase and erase this. Similarly go to offset, take the distance as 40, select this line and offset to the top side, go to line, take nearest point on this, go to perpendicular to this, again go to offset, take the distance as 30 on this side and again 35 on the bottom side, again select this and offset to the bottom, go to line, take nearest point line, take nearest point on this, take perpendicular to this line and again perpendicular to this. So go to erase these lines now. So now we'll go for a donut. Take the inside diameter as 0 and the outside diameter as 3. Take the center of donut as endpoint of this and endpoint of this. Similarly, take the endpoint of this and endpoint of this. Similarly, go to endpoint of this and intersection point of this, and similarly intersection, go to donut and take endpoint of this and similarly endpoint of this. Now we will go for select this line and go to change and change this to layer XY because this is the XY line. So go to DDIM and go to modify. So first offset from the origin you take it 3, symbols and arrows, make it arrow size 4, go to text, go to text height as 4, then take it above, align with the dimension line, take offset from the origin as 3 and take the primary unit as 0, precision and say close. Now we will go for dim vertical, take center of this and intersection part of this. So you take 30, so vertical, take center of this and intersection of this and take it to 35. Similarly, vertical, take center of this to intersection of this, take 35 and then vertical, take center of this to intersection of this. So you're going to get 40. So now select objects, you select this entire line, take it 40, then take it vertical, center of this and intersection of this and take 30, again take center of this and intersection of this and make it 35. Now we go for zoom previous, go to dtext and here put the caps lock on, type XY and then you mark, remove this caps lock, type A dash and here A, then here this is B, this is B dash and this is C dash and this is C, this is D and this is D dash. So then go to zoom window, select this and go to ortho mode off, go to move all these things. So A, then go to X, then go to B, then B dash, then go to C and C dash, then go to D and then D dash. Then go to zoom previous, so go to dtext and so type the answers now. Answers. Again go to dtext, then point A lies in first quadrant, then point B lies in second quadrant, point C lies in both first as well as second quadrant, then point D lies in fourth quadrant. So this is how you will be able to create the AutoCAD drawing, and then go to save, click on the appropriate drive and keep this as P21 and say